In the state of Florida, child support is a formula that takes into consideration each parent's income, the number of court-ordered overnights that each parent has, as well as health care costs and child care costs. Once those numbers are plugged into the formula, it shoots out who owes whom what amount of money. This can seem rather simple on its face, but there are a lot of factors to be taken into consideration and a lot of wiggle room for each of the numbers that goes into the formula. I highly advise that if you have the ability that you speak with an attorney before moving forward with any kind of child support case. Our office offers free consultations. One of the things that a lot of people do not know ahead of time and often get tripped up in the middle of custody cases is under a belief that they can contract out of child support. In the state of Florida, a party cannot contract out of child support, which means that one parent cannot agree that they will not accept child support, just the same as another parent cannot agree that they won't pay child support. Child support is considered a right of the child, not a right of the parents, and you're not able to contract out of paying child support. What you can do is be some amount creative with the numbers that go into the formula, which can determine the number that comes out. Once the number comes out of the formula, you're allowed to go up or down 5% from that number as a standard deviation. You're allowed to deviate more than that if you have certain justifying factors, but you have to be careful that your orders are written correctly. It's really important to get a correct order because once an order is in place, it is very challenging to modify that in the future, and you have to reach very strict standards in order to modify an order of child support. Please feel free to call my office for a free consultation if you are involved in or considering becoming involved in a child support case. We can be reached at 954-601-3737.